Hi guys, if you've been struggling to do your brow, do this. Take your brush, whatever brush that you use, just comb the hairs of your brows upward to find your shape, and then you're gonna use your finger just so. You're gonna take your brown pencil liner. Make sure you have a brown pencil liner. I'm just using black because it's more visible. And then we are just gonna create one line. Just go along with the shape of your brow. Don't lose that shape of your brow. So guys, after drawing that line, you're gonna leave a small space in the front of your brow, and then you're gonna create some small lines going upward following that line. As you can see guys, you're gonna leave this space, and then you're gonna take your brush again and blend upwards. Okay guys, after blending with your brush, you're gonna take a concealer and we're gonna shape the brow. Having a concealer is the best. Okay guys, don't forget to comment down below if you want some more tutorials from me. I hope you learned something. Bye guys.